No, I'm sick, dude.
What the? No mames, you were good yesterday.
Dude, no. I have allergies or something.
I've been saying that for the last month. You should check.
I'm sick.
How's the 4th, Marco?
Fun. I'm sick now.
The dawn's early. With those crusty ass lips.
I'm not crusty. I feel so sick.
I'm not crusty.
Hey,
Dude,
Entonces sí es este.
Ese va por allá y ese va por aquí.
so the one Subi on the channel that's been MIA is Luis's. Tell him why, Luis. Tell him what you did, bro.
what did he do?
I don't know. Fucking broke, brother.
Luis broke his car.
Again.
If you guys remember, like a year ago, we did a video on Luis's car. And he actually picked his car up for like $2,000 and it wasn't running at the time. Him and his dad put a new engine in it and it ran for like a day. Marco? I'm just kidding. It ran for like almost a year and then Luis broke it again. So what happened, Luis?
I spun out in the winter. There was a ticking noise in the engine. So obviously it was another engine problem. I found out the valves were bent. And this is where we are now.
Yeah, so that's one of 2 bent valves that Luis fucked up. Luis, where are we at now with this?
We're in the process of putting the manifold.
But everything's good, right? Like all the valves are in?
Yeah, we put, my dad helped me put the valves in, or I helped my dad put the valves in. Probably 2 days ago. So right now I'm in the process of putting the manifold, the clutch, and what else did I tell you? Oh, the timing belt.
For those of you who don't know, Luis's dad is actually a mechanic. So Luis, over the years, has really learned how to hold the flashlight. Nah, but for real guys, Luis's dad has really been helping him out and teaching him how to get his Subi back up and running.
Then I watched some YouTube videos.
On for the last couple of days. So I haven't recorded that last clip since 2 days ago, and I'll tell you why. So when I was putting this valve cover
Fine.
Dog. Cannot? What does that say? Dog. Cannot?
I'm congested.
Mark is little.
Hey, stick this on my nose so I could
Nasal spray. No.
Better if you put it in anal cavity. Look, you're used to it. He's right here.
Hey, I guess when we go eat, we can take my car since this one doesn't run. Marco barely
What
runs.
do you mean?
He's like crawls, dude.
Mine's the only one that actually runs, kinda.
Well.
My car actually, I mean, it's not as bad as Marco's.
Or mine.
Well, yours doesn't even turn on. I boost and it just cuts off. So I'm gonna see if it's the coil packs, and then if not, spark plugs. But I don't know. Base got the manifold mounted up, not bolted down just yet, but that's enough for today. We're gonna go eat because we haven't ate this morning, and then we'll come back and continue on Project Save Luis's car. If you guys are wondering why Marco chose the ruined Subi on Instagram,
Hey, I'm trying.
honestly bro, I don't know why you named it that.
Oh, because it's ruined.
Stepping foot into a real car. I'm just kidding.
Wow.
Dude, so look, this is loose. I was getting roasted because someone was like, he didn't even use the extension, but look. Where are we going?
So we're going to Penos.
Jalapenos, Marco? It's not up to 10 p.m.
What the hell? What's Marco doing over there? You valet, right?
Are we right here? Oh, we're here.
Oh,
Look.
right here.
Ah, huevo.
Yeah, a lot of noise.
We like to feed the poor sometimes.
Period. Turtle killers. Oh, what the fuck?
Is that all for you, fat ass? Yeah. You guys didn't get anything or what? Here, bro.
Good.
Who's H?
I think I got H. This fool got chorizo
E? No, I got chorizo.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah. Well, it's a big ass burrito. Hey, the morro do it the. Oh, the.
Yo. Hey, let me drive. Let me drive.
Should I let Marco drive? He's gonna start right here.
No mames, this way. Maybe if my
windows suck. The man, the myth, the legend, right over there. The creator of Luis. That's me.
Travel around the world, leaving traces. At the show they rave, just outrageous. They be throwing shade, cooking bad flavor, that's my friend.
I'm gonna take Luis's headlight off and see what he does when he comes back. Oh, that's a clip.
It's Lefty Lucy ready. Hey ho!
Luis is like, bro, honestly, I'm gonna try and have the Subi running by next Thursday.
I did say
You said that.
That was
No, I
6
told you
months.
Thursday.
That was 6 months ago, dude. Should Luis get the C-bar headlights like Ongo? Should he? He should, huh?
comment.
Comment down below.
down
He should though. They look clean.
I don't know, man. Just because Mom already has them and Ongo has them.
They look nice.
Let me help you. Little claw.
So right now, Luis is putting the intake manifold back on. What's next after that, Luis?
Probably another 30-minute break.
For real, dude. I'm already tired. I haven't done anything. Oh yeah, that's in there. Fuck.
Are you being serious? Oh my god.
I dropped the
bro.
bolt in there.
So here at Thirdshift, we like to do things in teams.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, son.
So that means I have to put my part back again.
Yeah. Fuck, that's enough work for now. Marco has to go to work now, so he's leaving us. He's not ready. We got the intake manifold on. We can't really do anything back here. Like, we can't put the top mount back on because the clutch still needs to be replaced. So I think Luis's dad is gonna help him do that tomorrow, right?
Yeah, tomorrow.
And then Luis is gonna start working on getting the header back together because they took that apart. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna start connecting all these lines and hoses and try and plug everything back in as much as I can, or as much as I know how to, and then we'll keep moving from there. So everything is looking just a little more complete. We got the reservoir bolted down. We did the fuel lines. We did all these little plugs right here. This is like halfway on the AC. That's kind of where Luis's car is sitting right now. This car had big plans before everything kind of went wrong. He was supposed to be wrapping it at the time, and then that just kind of went down the drain. Luis said he's aiming for next Saturday, right? Or what day?
This Saturday.
Tomorrow?
What's tomorrow?
Today's Friday.
Oh, Sunday.
Sunday. I thought you meant next week.
No,
Timing belt tomorrow, clutch replacement tomorrow, and then Sunday.
New video Sunday.
New video. Well, if Luis wants to, I can come and I'll update you guys and see if we have it running on Sunday. That'd be pretty cool. And I know it's been a long time since you guys have seen Luis's car in the video. So if you guys have any ideas for Luis or whatever you want to see next on his car, let him know in the comments down below. If Sunday it's running, we'll update you guys. If it's not running, we'll update you guys later that week. Next year. But we'll update you guys for sure whenever we have Luis's car back on the road. But yeah guys, that's all we got for today. We will see you in the next one. Peace out, Luis.